How does a baby's brain go from this to this? Well, let's start at the beginning. At just 4 weeks old, a neural tube forms in the embryo, which will eventually become the brain and spinal cord. By week 10, that neural tube has turned into a brainstem, which starts to form neurons. Neurons are the cells that make up our nervous system. They send signals to each other through electrical impulses. And by week 24, the brain has grown so much that it starts to fold in on itself, creating these beautiful folds and valleys. This is where all the action happens. As the brain continues to grow, different areas begin to specialize. The thinking part of the brain, the cortex, starts to develop around week 28. Then the cerebellum, which controls movement and coordination, starts to form around week 32. And finally, the parts of the brain that process sensory information, like touch and smell, start to develop around week 36. What can you do to help your baby's brain develop? Eat foods rich in folic acid, like spinach and bananas. Taking a folic acid supplement can also be helpful.